Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Nene, and today I'm doing something just a little bit different. For those who want to get straight to the video, just go ahead and fast forward. I just wanted to share with everyone what it looked like on the Las Vegas Strip. As you know, if you don't know, I live in Las Vegas. I've lived here for 2 years, and a little bit over 2 years. And as you know, if you know anything about Las Vegas, the Las Vegas Strip is always packed and full of people. But this whole COVID-19 thing has got this famous Las Vegas tourist attraction strip completely bare. I've never seen, in the 2.5 years I've been here, I've never seen it this empty. I was out with my husband yesterday, and I said, take me to the strip. I wanna record the strip. So I wanted to see it because I've been hearing that it was bare because all the casinos are closed, all the shows are closed. There still was more traffic than I expected, but really, literally, on a norm, there are so many people walking the street, crossing the street, sitting in outdoor cafes. It's crazy to see it so empty. It's weird. As we was driving down the strip, I was thinking, this is crazy. Coming up is that weird disc-looking thing. That's the Fashion Show Mall. That place. There are people hanging out in that place because there's outdoor. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, yeah, there's usually like hundreds of people on the escalator just going up into the Fashion Show Mall. But they have all the lights and the little teleprompters still lit up. But it's just such a weird thing to see that there's no people. I mean, there may be 1 or 2 people walking down the strip, because I know that there's people probably still in the hotels here, these casinos. But for the most part, there is no one walking. I don't come down to the strip that often, very rarely actually, because it's too hot in the summer months. And, you know, too many people. I'll do some crowds, but really it's just too many people down here. That's why I don't like to come down here. I've been to one show. I went to go see Barry Manilow. There's Treasure Island. I've been in there. But look at this street. I'm just gonna just see how long this is supposed to last. Like, you know, Nevada, Las Vegas, particularly, you know, they are losing a lot of money. And with everybody, with the businesses having to close down, the casinos having to shut down, it's really unbelievable. Yep. Look at that. Treasure Island. And if you guys, you know, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading again. I try to upload as often as I can, but this past week has been crazy. There's the Mirage, Boys to Men. Haven't seen them yet. Look right there, you see a couple taking a selfie. So yeah, that's like I said, a couple people still trying to enjoy the naked strip. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, and I'll be back in a few seconds. So here we are coming up to New York, New York, which is a really cool place. They have a Statue of Liberty there on the outside, the little New York, New York section. I don't think I walked down here to see that up close, but that was like a year ago. Like when we first got here, 2018. But again, look how empty it is. There's usually people just piling into that little Reese store. People just standing around. Over there is Excalibur. That's another place. Look, every place on this trip is always full. So I don't even know why I'm just pointing out certain ones. The whole darn strip is always full. I mean, elbow to elbow. You got the ladies from the casinos, the showgirls, out taking pictures, different characters walking around, taking pictures with people. It's just a ghost town with a few people just standing around. And here is the Luxor. I haven't been in there. Everything in there is Egyptian. This place is so cool to look at on the outside. And I hear the inside is even better. So I have to make my way down there. But I'm going to go ahead and end this tour of the Naked Las Vegas Strip and get right to the video now. So let's get started. Alrighty. So today I'm working on an 11 by 418. I hope that's right. I believe so. I decided I wanted to do a ring pour using some metallics. This time I'm adding metallic golds and I'm using the metallic green. I want to have some negative space on this project, and I think it turned out really well. I loved it, and I hope that you do too. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below, and also in the description I have a link to Arteza products, because this is an Arteza canvas I'm working with. I use a lot of their products, lots of their products. I mean, I use their vinyl, I use their transfer paper when I'm doing mugs and plaques and things like that. I use their paints, I use everything. So I have a coupon code for 15% off from them, as well as links to other products that I use. So don't forget to check that out, because we all love a discount. Like I always say, discounts are wonderful. I try not to pay for anything full price if I can help it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play. I hope you enjoy it. And I wanted to tell everybody to stay safe out there. Wash your hands. Stay away from crowds. Thanks for joining me. I will see you at the end. Okay, welcome back. Here's the finished painting. It turned out exactly the way I hoped, so I'm pleased. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the description for the coupon codes and links. Please be safe out there. These are troubled times we live in. Let's make the best of it and just stay safe. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.